to let you know, after last week's vlog, we have now found a permanent mooring, and hopefully we'll be moving to that as soon as St Ives Lock is fixed and we can get on the go. It's in a lovely spot. It's all gated and there's a little children's playground nearby, and we're really looking forward to being able to move to that side of the river. It's about an hour from Ely, probably about 2 minutes in a car, but about an hour on the boat. So yeah, really looking forward to getting going. So here's a few clips of what we've been up to the last fortnight. As I said before, there's always something to do. When you think you're finished, then there's something else crops up, and you just get another list of stuff to do. So just unpacking a few bits to keep up the boat, pants, socks, t-shirts, that sort of thing. Treat myself to a new pair of deck shoes, so I'll keep them up here, and then I've got some shoes to pop on. So that's that done. Brought my knitting along with me while Paul's busy fixing things. I'll show you in a minute what I'm doing. There you go. I'm quite pleased with that. It is a cushion for the boat. It's just something I enjoy doing, and hope to do a bit more while we're on the boat. Another thing.
You can definitely see where this has been done, like where I've done it today. It's getting darker. This might be alright, this.
Oh, good. Rubbish bag back. Oh.
I had my bloody overalls on last time because it was so cold. Now I've got to be careful of my jumper.
Have a look.
Okay.
Let's have a look. Alright.
I think that'd be alright. I need to get them smears out.
Well done, yeah. So did you say this solar panel has not been used?
No, it's not been used. It's been looked at. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with that yet. But that
Well, we can use the solar panel in the meantime.
I might want a bigger one. That's not that much of an output, but I don't know much about solar panels. I've never fitted one.
If we've got
before my time.
If we've got shore power, we're only going to need.
It's not hard to fit them, but I want to size it properly.
Well, that's the sort of thing that you just have on the floor. dear. I've got the tape running and you just blew off.
Who did?
You did.
I didn't.
You did so.
You're hearing things, you are. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. You've only got yourself to blame. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, you would have done the same.
So our next job is to remove this toilet. It is a sea toilet, and if you don't know what sea toilet is, it does flush the contents into the river, which is perfectly legal, but we're not happy with that, so we're going to change it over for a cassette toilet.
Oh. Ah, dear. There you go. Oh, wait, the toilet's going to be easy to get out. It's all hard work. Let's get his mad mark batten out. I dread to think what's going to come out of here. Oh, hold your nose. God, that's heavy. Oh, yeah. I think that bit of carpet might have to go.
Yeah, I was thinking of putting a little bit of lino in there.
Yeah, well, whatever, that's definitely got. The thing is, I think it's glued to that step. So,
I'm sure you'll sort it. I've got to saw them hoses off. I might get Gary to cap that off. I don't have them sort of caps. Sort of thing Dave Taylor would have had. But, might better buy one, I suppose. Yeah. Nice.
I'll have to get me scraper, I think. Buddy. Yeah. God, Jesus. I dread to think what adhesive they've used on this.
Nice.
That's going straight in the said rubbish bag. Oh. And that.
Toilet free.
Toilet free. So I've got to lift it out of the boat. Oh.
Do you know what?
That was easy enough actually. Just have to, I'll have a good clean up.
Get some.
You can whiten that ceiling if you want. I'll do the wood. And then we're ready.
That ceiling's material.
Eh?
That ceiling's material.
Yeah, well,
you can't put paint on it.
Paint vinyl, or just leave it, just clean it.
I have cleaned it, cheeky bugger.
Oh, you missed a bit then. God, I'm knackered.
Another job to do is where these holes are. We've taken off the old corner fenders and we're going to put the new ones on, hopefully, very soon. He's a good boy. Paul's supposed to be working, but he's playing with smudge instead. You got your ball?
Boy. But you don't share, do you?
You're not sharing?
He throws it, but it's a lovely little dog. I'm not getting anything done with him here, but
he's just popped it in the hut. Look.
what?
He's dropped his ball in the hole.
Where? Oh, it's stuck in there, is it?
He dropped it in there.
There it is.
Here he comes.
Yeah, he doesn't go for long.
Oh, he dropped it for you.
Yeah, he does if he thinks you're busy.
Are you stopping my old man from working?
I don't know whether to just drill this thing where it touches.
Oh, you think that's a good game, don't you? Dropping your ball in the brick?
Go and get a bucket of hot water.
What are you eating?
You gonna share?
Hope you've enjoyed and not found it too boring. And we'll see you next time.